All right. Today we are going to discuss. Anshika, behave yourself. This is not a photo session. The one who wants to read, please raise your hand or write your name in the chat box. And you have to switch on your video while reading. All right. Let's start. Yes, Swastika, you can start reading the first point. Swastika, read the first point. Okay, Rashi, read the first point.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Swastika.
Swastika, switch on your video.
Oh, okay, ma'am. May I start?
If you can't, you will not start. You will not read. Switch on your video first.
I can do. कर दिए ना? Ma'am, I read.
Rashi, wait. Do not speak in between anyone. All right, Rashi, you read.
United because one, yes, country is two, produce.
Good morning, ma'am.
And use energy.
All right. United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, it becomes the first Gulf country. Gulf is an area in which many countries are included to produce nuclear energy. Pragya, read the second. Those
The
who have...
historic foundation.
Yes, continue.
The historic foundation.
Good morning.
Please, एक minute. Pragya, just a second, बच्चे. If anyone speaks now in between, I will not allow anyone to speak. I'll read, explain, and go. Fifth, behave yourself now. Enough is enough. Yes, Pragya, continue, bachche.
The historic foundation stone laying ceremony of Ram temple in Ayodhya, that is Ram Janambhoomi site, was successfully completed on 5 August 2020.
I guess almost everyone must have seen this on 5 August. It was a stone laying ceremony, that is Bhumi Pujan, we say, held for Ram temple in Ayodhya. Akshvi, read the next. Akshvi. Let's just give me 1 minute to Akshvi if she is able to speak. Akshvi. All right. Bhavya, read. Bhavya, your voice is not audible to me. I guess, Bhavya, there is a network issue. We cannot hear you, Bhavya.
and
Bhavya, I'll give you another chance for this. You are not audible. Ruchika, please read.
Railway Ministry will run India's first Kisan Rail from 7 August 2020 between Maharashtra and Bihar.
Now, what is happening? The first Kisan rain for the Kisan where the crops can be moved. It has started from 7th August between which two states? Maharashtra and Bihar. Nibun, read the next.
President Ramnath Kovind has appointed Manoj Shah as the new Lieutenant Governor of Unit Jammu and Kashmir.
Now, what is happening? There is a new Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir, and his name is Manoj Sinha. We read the next.
DC
Marmar.
Armar appointed as new Corporal and Alert General CAG of India. Earlier he was literally government of UT Jammu and Kashmir.
Now, CG Marmar is the name who has appointed as CAG, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and he was the Lieutenant Governor earlier. Now, instead of him, who has become Manoj Sinha. Yashika, read the next. Yashika.
US President Trump signs order to ban TikTok. The ban will be effective within 45 days.
So, the President of America, that is Mr. Donald Trump, has also banned TikTok. Ayush. Okay, just wait. Karnit, read the next. Ayush, wait. Karnit, read the next.
Minister Narendra Modi integrated the submarine optical fiber cable OFC connecting Chennai and the Port Blair on 10 August 2020. This task done before time is praiseworthy. This project connects Andaman and Nicobar with rest of country benefits access to online classes, tourism, digital marketing, online classes or telemedicine.
Now, what is happening? That Mr. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has inaugurated, means he has launched, he has opened submarine optical fiber cable. That is a cable going under the water connecting China and Port Blair on August 2020. Now this activity has done before the deadline, and now it is connecting the Andaman and Nicobar Islands with the rest of the country. With this, they will get the internet for accessing online classes, tourism, telemedicine, and etc. Akshwi, read the next. Akshwi. Akshwi, are you able to hear me? Can you read? I use just a minute. Akshvi. Okay, I cannot hear Akshvi. Yes, where should we read?
US President Trump signed order to ban TikTok. The ban will be effective within 45 days.
And we are not on this point. Vashvi was not listening. Ayush, read.
Electronic Machine Intelligence Network (EVI) and aims at providing real-time information on stocks and follows, as well as the vaccine stocks and follows, as well as the storage temperature across all cold chain points in India. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed on 3 August 2020 this is an innovative modern technology during this pandemic. Thank you, ma'am.
Now what is happening? That Electronic Vaccine Intelligence Network. This is a network launched by Ministry of Health and Family Affairs that will provide the information that where this type of vaccines are stored and where they can reach at what time. Fine. Anyone else who has not got a chance wants to read? We're left with 2 points. Come on, raise your hand, those who want to read. Okay, Ishan, read. Ishan or Akshvi, but I'm giving you chance, but I'm not able to hear you. Any one of you can read. Or anyone else who has not got a chance. Yashika has got a chance, I guess. Tamanna, Bhavya, you can try now. Ishan, Bhavya, Akshvi, Tamanna, anyone can read the line.
Pakistan's PM Imran Khan has
Released
released the new political map lines
claims
as its
territory. Now what Pakistan has done, they have issued a new political map in which they have Junagadh as a part of their territory. Yes, Akshvi, read. Akshvi, your voice is not coming. Try again. I can see you, Akshvi, but I cannot hear you. No, your voice is not coming. Remove the earphones and try. Remove it from the phone also.
Former President Pranab Mukherjee has tested positive for coronavirus, confirmed on 10 August 2020. He has requested all those who have come in contact with him during last week to self-isolate and get tested for COVID-19.
Yes. So your earphones were not working, maybe. All right. So what has happened? The last president of India, that was Pranab Mukherjee, he has tested as coronavirus, and he has told that whoever met him or come in contact to isolate them, matlab be alone and get test for COVID-19. Any doubt in this reference sheet, anyone? All right. Next, we will do a mental ability is left for August. Let's do that. You know the rules. The one who gives the correct answer first in the chat box will be allowed to speak. All right. Okay. Question number 1. Complete the pattern. Rachit made the number pattern shown below. Which number will come next? 33, 29, 25, 21, 17. Yes, Ayush. Ayush.
30.
13, correct. Maria wanted to arrange 16 chairs to form a square. Which of the following number sentence will show the most appropriate arrangement of chairs to form a square? Question number 2. Arrange the chairs, 16 chairs in a square. Yes, Akshvi?
Ma'am, 40 plus 4 equals to 16.
Excellent. 14 into 4 into 4 is equals to 16. Take the number missing in the pattern. 1, 4, 9, 16. Next. Not a correct answer. No. No. Yes, Yashika.
25.
25 is absolutely correct. These are the multiples. Like 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4, 16. And then 5 5s are 25. Kilogram is to weight. As paisa is to. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, money.
Money. Absolutely correct. Sorry. If 3 means 4, 4 means 5, 5 means 6, then 34 will be written as no. Yes, Yashika.
45.
45. Complete the series RQPONMLKJ-FED. Do not raise your hands, write the correct answers. I will give the chance only to the one. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, IHG.
Excellent. IHG. I'm not able to correct it. Let it be. If in a certain language English is coded as this and science is coded, how will science be coded in that language? Yes, Ruchika?
TDJFOFD.
Excellent. The answer is A part. Eighth question. If word is coded as 8153 and apple is coded as 72246, then how will you encode read?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Harshit, just a minute, but I'll take your doubt. Yes, Pragya?
5673.
Excellent. Yes, Harshit, what is your doubt?
मैम एक बारी ऊपर कर दो.
Harshit, please speak in English and I will send this sheet also, don't worry, with the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
How many times 45 should be added so that the sum is 405? Yes, Nipun?
9.
9 is absolutely correct. My father's wife is my brother's. Yes, Karnit?
Mother.
Mother. Absolutely correct. Father is 3 times older than the son. If son's present age is 15, how old is the father? And who has given the answer first? Yes, Karnit?
Ma'am, 45.
45. Absolutely correct. Answer number 12. Follow the pattern and tell me the answer. Yes, Nipun?
53.
Excellent. In a lawn, Robert notices that there are 46 legs. How many people and dogs are there in the lawn? Yes, Veer. Veer can speak the answer.
7 people and 8 dogs.
Excellent. 7 people and 8 dogs. If today is Monday, which day will come day after tomorrow? Yes, Karnit?
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Absolutely correct. In a certain code, 5 means pen, 345 means one red pen. And 456 means red pen new. Which digit codes as red? Yes, Akshvi.
Ma'am, 4.
4 is absolutely correct. Bhanu ranks 12th in the class of 42. What will be his rank from the last? Yes, Nipun.
31.
31 is absolutely correct. In an examination, Amit scores more than Aman and less than Rohit. Sudha scores more than Rohit and less than Geeta. Who among them then scored the highest marks? Yes, Karnat?
Ma'am, Geeta.
Absolutely right, Geeta. Z26, Y25, X24. What will be the series? Yes, Ayush.
W23, ma'am.
W23. Very good. Which option best replaces question mark to complete the series? BF, RV. Yes, Nipun.
N.
N. Very good. Marathon is to race as hibernation is to. Winter is, yes, sorry, Akshvi, you can answer.
Ma'am, winter.
Winter. Very good. Fine class, I will be sending the sheet as well as the answers. Please complete it and send me back. Tomorrow also, okay, tomorrow you have one English and one GK class, so we'll do GK and GK only. And on Wednesday, we'll do GK. For English tomorrow,
Ma'am.
please, wait, Ayush. For English tomorrow, please revise chapter number 2 and 4 for your doubt and revision class. Chapter 2, Clever People, and Chapter 4, King Vikramaditya, the Wise and Generous. Fine. Yes, Ayush, you were saying something?
Ma'am, my homework is complete now.
No, Ayush, your homework is not complete. I told you also on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, please send
Grammar
the
work is
PDF
left.
of
Ayush will discuss on WhatsApp about this. All right, class. Have a nice day. Complete your GK and English work and send it to me. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.